Let's meet Stephanie, the supervisor of the aerospace industry. She was designing an engine that included intricate machine parts. To bring her dream design into reality, she needed custom CNC machining services. So, she stumbled on Google, searched for a reliable provider, and came to know about Createproto Rapid System Limited. After discussing her needs, Stephanie got a detailed estimate with DFM feedback. With their cutting-edge tools, they manufactured the parts according to her designs accurately. So, like her, do you need such services? Call +867 552 813 7273 or go to createproto.com to discuss more.